Ever wondered how to unlock the power of databases with SQL, the language of data? Maybe you've come across it in your work, or perhaps you've heard about its immense potential in data management. But where do you start? Today, we're about to embark on a journey from being an absolute beginner to becoming a proficient SQL user. This is your complete SQL bootcamp. First, we'll take a leap into the basics. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is a standard language for managing and manipulating databases. It's like the backbone that holds the body of data together. It's the tool that lets us interact with huge amounts of information, retrieve specific data, and make sense of it all. Next, we'll delve into data retrieval. The select statement is your best friend here. It's the key to unlocking the data stored in tables. Think of it like a librarian who knows exactly where every book is. With the select statement, you can pinpoint specific data from a sea of information. Following that, we'll explore how to filter data using the where clause. It's like having a magnifying glass to zoom in on the specific pieces of data that you need. It helps you sift through the data and pick out the gems that are most relevant to you. Afterwards, we'll tackle manipulating data. Using the insert, update, and delete statements, you can add new data, modify existing data, and remove unnecessary data. It's like being an artist with data as your canvas. Then, we'll dive into the intricacies of data relationships. Understanding joins is crucial here. They allow you to combine data from two or more tables, providing a comprehensive view of your data landscape. Finally, we'll touch on advanced topics like subqueries and stored procedures. These are powerful tools that can simplify complex operations and make your work with databases more efficient. So, what have we covered today? We've started with the basics of SQL, understanding its role in managing and manipulating databases. We've learned how to retrieve and filter data using the select statement and where clause. We've explored how to manipulate data using the insert, update, and delete statements. We've delved into data relationships with joins, and lastly, we've touched on advanced SQL concepts like subqueries and stored procedures. Remember, SQL is like a language. It's not just about learning the words, but about understanding how to use them to convey your ideas. Practice, practice, and practice some more. With time and effort, you'll find yourself navigating the world of databases with ease and confidence. And that wraps up your complete SQL bootcamp, from zero to hero in SQL, one step at a time.